Established in 2008, Newangie Company Limited is a trusted manufacturer of medical and beauty equipment, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Currently, we operate 3 offices and 1 factory, employing over 180 staff members and holding 73 patents. We have successfully provided comprehensive solutions to more than 16,000 customers, spanning across 100+ countries. 17-year export experience. High-quality beauty equipment manufacturer and supplier. We offer customized services to distributors worldwide. Quality and innovation are at the heart of our philosophy. We continually strive for superior performance and durability in our products, ensuring they meet the high standards and expectations of our customers. We are confident in delivering high-quality services to more global distributors and are dedicated to building lasting partnerships. Guided by our mission, making life better, we aim to uplift global beauty standards and ensure mutual success with our partners.